Revo Uninstaller. This is a free program. There's no toolbars, crapware, spyware or anything with it. You can download the installer version to put on your desktop or laptop. It's 1.30 megabytes. Or you can download the portable version, which is 980 kilobytes. And this is what I will be downloading. I will save the file to my desktop. If I just go back here a moment, you have a lot of supported languages. There are also INI files here for languages that are not included in version 1.83. On my blog you'll also find a link to all the INI files to download for your specific language. Now on the desktop I've got a zip file which I will extract, and I will select my location, which will be my USB stick, and this will take just a minute or two to install it onto the stick. Now once it's installed, if I open up my USB stick, it's got its own folder. Simply double click it to run it and the user interface opens, and the first thing you want to do is to go into Tools. Here you have Auto Run Manager, where you can stop programs from auto running. You can also remove them, as I will in the case of these two. Windows Tools. You have access to System Restore, Network Diagnostics, Network Information Security Center, System Properties, System Information, Add Remove Windows Components, Shared Folders, Services, Disk Defragmenter, although there are better defragmenters than the Windows version, an on-screen keyboard, TCP/IP netstack command, and the Windows Microsoft malicious software removal tool. You have a junk files cleaner. Simply click on Scan and allow it to run through, and it'll warn you to wait whilst the scan is in progress. And it's found nothing. If it does, just click Delete. Tracks Cleaner. Now this covers the browsers, and as you can see there's Internet Explorer. It says Firefox 2, but it actually works on Firefox 3 as well. Opera, Netscape. Simply tick the boxes that you want to clear the cache of and the history. CClean is a better option. Microsoft Office Cleaner. Again, this will clear Office documents from Word or Microsoft Office 2000 through to 2007. And again, just click Clear, click OK, and that's it, it's done. Windows Cleaner. You can tick these boxes and remove a lot of junk files that you really don't need. When you get to delete the start menu usage logs, be very careful, because if you tick this box, it will clear your start menu. So I will tick those and leave that one unticked. Execute, yes, and there's 5 items to be deleted. And the run history will be deleted after the Explorer exe is restarted, which basically is on reboot. Evidence Remover. This will overwrite previously deleted data. It will not affect anything that you have on your computer in your files and folders, only what has been previously deleted. There are better erasers than this, and this will take a long time to run, so I would cancel that. Unrecoverable delete. Here you can add files, and if I go to my desktop and I add a file called junk and delete forever, and that's it, it's gone. You can add a folder, and again I will go to my desktop. I have a folder called junk and delete that forever. Click yes, and that's it, gone. In options you have your choice of languages. You can tick advanced mode, check for update on startup. Uninstaller, you can show system updates, but it's not supported in Windows Vista or in Windows 7 at the moment. Show system components if you wish. Enable fast loading mode. If you enable this, you will have different icons to what you see in the normal uninstaller. If you tick only run the built-in uninstaller, that's the same as using the add remove programs in Windows, so that's a waste of time. Make a system restore point before uninstalling and delete leftover files and folders to the recycle bin. Junk file cleaner. Ignore files accessed in the last 24 hours. Delete files to the recycle bin. Drives to scan. You can exclude drives. Now for most users, for the pattern, you can leave that as it is. For advanced users, you can add or remove as you feel fit. Exclusions. Leave the patterns as they are. Again, advanced users, add or remove as you feel fit. You will also find some items that you don't actually have, as in my case I don't have Norton, I don't have Incredimail, and so on. So click OK and we'll come out of that. Now, if we go to the view of Revo Uninstaller, you can change the view. In this way you can also check the date, and I will uninstall this one. So uninstall, click yes. I will select advanced. Most of you will be quite happy with moderate. And in a lot of cases it will also try and run its own uninstaller. And if this happens, occasionally it'll ask you if you want to reboot. And here we have the built-in uninstaller. If a program asks you to reboot, you do not want to reboot. You want to allow Revo Uninstaller to carry on. So click Next and it will scan the hard drive for leftover files and folders and anything that's left in the registry. When it's finished, simply click Next, expand the plus icon beside each of these, and as you can see, these are the two I want to get rid of. Tick them both, delete, select yes, click Next, and that's it finished. Now I also want to remove this one here, but what I will do is use the Hunter mode. Now this gives me a little icon, which I will change just a moment. This is the Hunter mode icon. And here's the shortcut to spyware detector. All I have to do is drag the icon over onto there. You can also use a drag and drop mode where you just drop this into there. In both cases you get the option to uninstall, stop auto starting, kill the process. So if we kill the process, that will stop it running. Drop it in there, uninstall, click yes. Again I will tick advanced, click next, and allow the program to run. Again I get a warning from the program. Do I wish to remove it? The answer is yes. I don't want Windows Explorer. Now as you can see, it's come up here that the computer needs to be restarted. This is through the uninstaller of the program, so I will tick no, because I want Revo Uninstaller to finish going through the files, the folders and the registry. Again I will click next to see the results, expand the pluses, and tick the applicable items, delete. If you miss any, don't worry, because it'll come back here. Click next, select all, delete, yes. And in some cases you may find a reboot is necessary to delete files that have been locked by the system. In this case it's removed all of them. Click next, that's it finished, and I can exit this. It's a nice easy program to use. It's a lot better and more efficient than the Windows Add Remove programs. If you want any more information, check out my blog, which is Free PC Security, and you can find it at freepcsecurity.co.uk.